This is Jolene Shields with the high school program. I wanted to explain to you our new proficiencies. We are going to be offering online and in-person proficiencies. They're going to be in Canvas, so I wanted to walk you through it so it would give you a better idea of what we're doing. So a student would get signed up for the Canvas course shell. They would go into the high school proficiency course shell. There are some directions here, and then you'll see we have our math, our reading, and our writing proficiencies. So these can all be taken online or in person. These are all self-created. So the reading proficiency is not the TABE, okay? The math and the reading tests take 1 hour for the students to complete. The writing test takes 3 hours. So if a student needs to take the writing test, please sign them up for the earliest time slot for that session so that they have time to complete their writing test. Again, these are all in Canvas, and this reading test is not the TABE. We're only going to be using the TABE for students who need reading scores. Students can still take the TABE in person or online. They can take the TABE in person with David in the morning, with Aurelie in the evening, or online Tuesday nights with Johanna. Okay, so once again, we have separated the reading proficiency from what we would call a reading assessment if somebody needs a reading score. If you have any questions, please feel free to call. Thank you. Bye.